while Mother Cat stayed home to cook lunch. Suddenly, she remembered they were out of eggs. She told the Father Cat she'd go to the store. Oh no, it turns out Father Cat had damaged her car earlier.
What's happening?
Mother Cat couldn't stop the car. And it sped uncontrollably forward. Disaster struck. Mother Cat was seriously injured. A surgery was performed. But she fell into a coma. 2 months later. Father Cat had a new lover. To seem very happy together. Kitten was shocked to see this. While Father Cat was at work, Stepmother forced Kitten to cook.
What is this you've made? Disgusting.
Stepmother constantly mistreated and hit Kitten.
Mom, I miss you so much.
What do you think about the Mother Cat's actions? Share your thoughts in the comments. One day, Kitten caught the stepmother stealing money. Kitten immediately told Father Cat. This time, he was furious, hitting and kicking her out of the house. That was the end for the cruel stepmother. Let's protect children from violence. But don't forget, Kitten's real mother is still in a coma. When she wakes up, how will she react? If she learns the Father Cat was the cause of her accident. While Kitten is being taken out for a drive by Daddy Cat.
Oh no, the tire is flat. Son,
What do we do now, Dad?
Father and son walk to find a place to stay for the night.
hello, our car broke down. Can we stay here for the night?
Sure. Come on in, both of you.
Father and son happily entered the house.
Are you hungry? Come, have some hot soup.
This is terrible. The bowl is full of cockroaches.
What in the world is going on?
Hurry! Run! Dad!
Father and son tried to escape from the creepy house.
You can't escape. There's nowhere to run.
Oh no, it's a dead end. What should we do now? Monster is too strong.
Dad, please save me.
Don't touch my son, you damn monster. I'll defeat you.
So brave, Daddy Cat fought the monster to protect the kitten.
Dad, hurry and run to the car.
Awesome, I just came up with a great idea. Son, ready, son. We're going to burn that monster down.
Daddy Cat threw a gas can at the monster and set it on fire. Luckily, the sky began to brighten and both father and son were safe. If you enjoyed our video, like and share to support us.
Come at me!
The two of them fought fiercely. Dad Cat angrily shouted and was about to strike again.
I will not forgive you, you evil creature.
Golden Cat defeated Daddy Cat and called the police. Violent One ended up in prison, getting what they deserved. While Daddy Cat is excitedly preparing breakfast, father and child are enjoying a cheerful breakfast together. Kitten is on the way to school.
Goodbye, Dad!
While Daddy Cat is a police officer.
Where's Daddy?
Kitten waited and waited, but Daddy Cat didn't show up. Kitten decided to take the bus home by itself. Oh, Daddy Cat just realized he forgot to pick up his child. Kitten is no longer at school. Oh no, the kitten hasn't returned home yet. Kitten is sitting sadly on the bus.
We're almost home, little ones.
A stranger suddenly appeared.
Please give me a ride. Stay right where you are.
Kitten is very worried.
Oh no! What should we do now?
Kittens were kidnapped, and the driver was thrown off the bus. Driver remembered he had to report to the police. Daddy Cat was the one who answered the phone and organized the rescue of the kittens.
Too easy. The police will never find us.
Kittens were taken to a dock. They were blindfolded and tied up.
Daddy will definitely come to rescue me. You all just wait and see.
I will search over here.
But there was no one to be found. Only a piece of paper left by the kitten. Daddy Cat was extremely worried.
After this, I'll be really rich. Why are the police here?
Hurry, open it up.
That's amazing. Kitten is safe now. Kitten was sleeping peacefully. Suddenly, a dark shadow appeared.
Wake up! Come play with me!
Kitten woke up and ran away in fear.
Hello! Don't be scared. I just want to be your friend.
Little Ghost was sad because it had no friends.
You really won't hurt me, will you?
Kitten agreed to be friends with the little ghost. Suddenly, Mommy Cat knocked on the door.
Oh no! That's my mom. Quick, hide!
Panicking, the kitten quickly hid the little ghost.
Hide in this wardrobe.
Are you still awake, my daughter?
Mom, I'm scared.
Mommy Cat tried to help the kitten fall asleep. After she left, two little friends continued to play together. Because Mommy had arrived earlier, the two friends had to part ways.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.
The next day, Kitten happily told its friends about its new friend. Today, children must be careful with their actions, or they will pay a heavy price. Every morning, Lena and Kitten go to the farm to work. The farm's vegetables and fruits are fresh and clean. Lena teaches Kitten how to tell ripe tomatoes apart. Kitten is so clever, helping his mom a lot. Suddenly, a car appeared, and Kitten asked if he could drive it. Lena refused because it was too dangerous for him. Kitten felt sad that his mom didn't agree. But while Lena wasn't paying attention, Kitten decided to drive the car on his own. Oh no, Kitten crashed into a beehive. Bees swarmed toward him, making him panic. This is Alex, a renowned police officer. And this is Jack, a ruthless criminal. Jack has orchestrated a series of terror attacks across the city. Alex learns the news and becomes furious. He and his team quickly track Jack down and apprehend him.
Stay still, you wicked scoundrel!
Let me go! You just wait. I'll get my revenge.
During the transport, Jack devises a new plan to escape.
I told you, you'll never catch me.
Alex immediately rushed to the scene of the explosion. Meanwhile, at Alex's home, his wife and child are there. While Mommy Cat was washing the dishes, Kitten was playing by itself in the living room. Jack suddenly broke into the house.
Oh no!
He caught the kitten.
Stay still, or I'll throw you off the vehicle.
Alex's wife immediately calls him.
What? He kidnapped our daughter!
Alex and his team quickly give chase. Unfortunately, the kitten falls off the vehicle. Alex promptly calls for an ambulance. Doctors do their best, but they cannot save the kitten.
I will make him pay.
Alex leads his team to Jack's hideout. At Jack's hideout, a fierce shootout ensues.
did the police find this place?
Jack was astonished.
All of you, charge at them now.
Unfortunately, Jack was shot and killed. In the end, Alex was promoted. But Kitten could not be brought back to life. Mommy Cat is preparing for a business trip.
Goodbye, Mommy.
Alex, Kitten's friend, knocks on the door. They happily go out to play together. Oh no, Kitten is getting dirty at the park. The house is covered in mud. Kitten is cooking, with clothes covered in mud. He goes to bed covered in mud. Mommy Cat has come home from work. Unbelievable! Kitten starts vomiting.
Doctor, please save my son.
Kitten is in pain, vomiting non-stop. Doctor quickly takes the kitten to the hospital. Terrible! Kitten's stomach is full of bugs. Luckily, he made it through the critical condition. Kitten diligently washes its hands clean. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Parents, please be extra cautious when children play with fire. This is the home of a beautiful little kitten. In the morning, the mother cat had errands to run. So she asked Kitten to stay home and watch the house. Before leaving, Mother Cat reminded Kitten to be careful.
Bye-bye, Mom.
However, as soon as Mother Cat left, Kitten decided to cook on its own. It turns out Kitten wanted to bake some cake as a gift for her mother. She was trying her best to make beautiful cakes. While waiting, Kitten went to the living room to watch cartoons. Oh no, Kitten forgot about the oven, and it's on fire. Terrified, Kitten didn't know what to do. Oh, this is the kitten's family. Mommy Cat was doing laundry. When she suddenly noticed a lipstick stain. Daddy Cat and Mommy Cat got into a heated argument. Too angry to stay, Mommy Cat left the house. Kitten tried to stop her, but it was no use. A week later, another cat appeared. This is not my mother. Daddy Cat ignored Kitten's protest and left him at home with the stepmother. Poor Kitten was forced to do all the housework. Stepmother even hit the helpless kitten often. Mommy, I miss you. Determined, Kitten decided to study and train hard to seek justice. Years later.
Find her at all costs.
Mommy Cat saw a flyer and contacted her son. Mom, I've missed you so much. Kitten brought his mom home and told her everything that had happened.
Why is she here?
What is going on here?
Kitten presented evidence of the stepmother's affair.
How dare you deceive me? Get out of here.
Kitten called the police, who arrested both Daddy Cat and the stepmother for their abusive behavior. It was the perfect ending for those who had done wrong. Little Kitten was taken out for a weekend adventure by its mom. Sweetheart, where do you want to go?
I want to go to the aquarium, Mommy.
Mother Cat stopped the car to buy some drinks. Little Kitten waited patiently inside the car. Oh no, the mischievous little kitten is trying to take control of the car.
Vroom, vroom.
It's terrifying. The car is speeding uncontrollably. Oh my god, what's happened?
Oh no, what should I do?
A train was rapidly approaching. And the driver had no idea what was happening. The two cars were speeding toward each other. Would the driver be able to stop in time? A terrible accident has occurred. Little Kitten had lost consciousness after the severe impact. The fire truck and ambulance arrived immediately. They worked quickly to provide first aid to the little kitten. But the little kitten's heartbeat was slowly fading away. It was a beautiful morning. and Mama Cat took her little kitten to pick mushrooms in the forest near their home.
Wow, look at all these delicious golden mushrooms.
In the forest, little Kitten was diligently picking mushrooms. Oh no, evil rat had poured some strange liquid over mushrooms.
Oh, what a beautiful purple mushroom!
The cunning rat tricked Kitten into eating it. While Kitten was munching on the mushroom, he suddenly had a stomachache. Meanwhile, Mama Cat grew worried and started searching for her kitten. in an isolated beach. Black Cat has poured poison into the sea. Poisoned fish rise to the surface. Oh no, Black Cat is selling poisoned fish. Mommy Cat and Kitten happily prepare for the market. Smell of grilled fish fills the street corner. If it were you, would you eat this fish? Kitten happily eats grilled fish. Oh my god, Kitten starts vomiting. Ambulance quickly rushes to the scene.
Don't worry, I will save you.
Doctor took the kitten to the vet. Unbelievable! Kitten's stomach is full of worms. Luckily, Black Cat has been arrested. Always eat food that is safe for your health. Today is Sunday, and the kitten is being taken out by Mommy.
Mommy, it's so much fun here. Remember to stay safe.
Kitten is having so much fun playing on the swing. Suddenly, the King Kong broke out of its cage and started smashing everything. It's charging quickly toward the park.
Mommy, help me. Please let go of my child.
This is terrible. The kitten is going to fall.
Oh, my child, please wake up.
King Kong engaged in a fierce battle. In the end, King Kong was defeated.
Yeah,
I did it. But the kitten could not be brought back to life. Don't be sad. The kitten will be happy and will always love Mommy Cat. Kitten happily celebrated its birthday.
Happy birthday, my son.
Oh my god, Mommy Cat gave Kitten a bite. Kitten is biking to buy things for Mommy Cat. Kitten fell off the bike on the road. Suddenly, a black cat sped by on a bike. He was drinking while riding, so dangerous. Oh no, the speeding bike hit Kitten. Kitten was injured and passed out on the road. Luckily, doctor arrived in time to help. Mommy Cat worried at home, waiting for Kitten. Doctor called to inform Mommy Cat. She cried and ran quickly to the hospital. Doctor is performing surgery on the kitten.
Doctor, how is my son?
Thankfully, Kitten has passed the critical stage. He paid the price for his crimes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kitten is cooking with its mom, but it seems they're out of ingredients. They both head to a nearby supermarket. Let's pick the vegetables first, my son.
Mom, next time I'll help you buy the groceries.
Oh no, there's someone drinking and driving. Mother cat and kitten are crossing the road.
Oh no! Did I just hit someone?
He didn't care about the bleeding mother cat and sped off.
Mom, please wake up! Mom!
Immediately, the mother cat was rushed to the hospital. Doctors tried to save her and the baby in her womb. But there was no miracle.
I will definitely find him.
Kitten was furious and decided to become a police officer.